Realme GT8 Pro comes with 6.79 inches Quad HD plus AMOLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. Rear cameras 50 megapixel main with OIS plus 200 megapixel periscope telephoto with OIS and 50 megapixel ultrawide with 8K video, 32 megapixel. Selfie with 4K video, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 3nm chipset, it runs on Android 16 with Realme UI 7.0, comes with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB UFS 4.1 storage, no microSD. Backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery with 120-watt charging, measures 8.2, 8.3mm thickness and 218 grams weight, and colors Urban Blue, Aston Martin Racing Green, and Diary White. Other features includes in-display fingerprint, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69 rating. Pricing starts at 72,999 Indian rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB model.